What do we need the towel for?
For the little birdies because
Dylan, where are you going?
Come on, let's go, Marisol.
Dylan, what do you need the towel for?
The birdies. The birdies.
Okay.
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandma.
Dylan, what are you gonna do with that towel?
He needs the towel for the
Bye.
for the little baby birds.
Travis, you stay here, okay? Grandma's leaving.
We need the towel. Marisol, take the baby out. Be careful, you get to take it.
Travis, stay here. Grandma left.
This is a big one. Marisol, put this towel with the little baby birds.
Yeah, but what are we gonna do with them?
We will take care of them.
Who's gonna take care of them?
Me.
And how? What do you?
There's another bird.
That's the mom. Let's go. Let's go sit down. Let's wait and see if maybe she's gonna find her. Let's tell.
I think that's the mom.
I think that's the mom. Shh, shh. She's gonna call for her babies right now. Shh. Be very quiet, okay? Told you. He's calling him. Shh, shh. Dylan, come here.
The mom is coming.
I told you the mom was coming.
Where's the mom?
She's calling the babies right now. Shh. You see? There she is. There she is.
Wait, up. Here.
Shh. Sit right here. Dylan, you need to listen to me now. Dylan, you're gonna scare the mommy away. Did you get poop on your face? Come here, let me see.
Go.
What happened to your face? Let me see. Dylan, come.
Where's the mom? Where's the mom?
You guys need to sit down. You're scaring her.
Dylan, sit down. Marshall.
What?
I need a towel.
But what do you need it for?
I need it.
For what?
The mom's here.
I know. We can't take the babies away from the mommy, okay?
Or else the mama will get us
Yeah.
and hurt us.
No, the mommy will get mad. You see? He's right there. Look, the mommy's on top of the ledge over there. You see?
Oh, see the baby?
What?